We're coming to you with breaking news. Reports are emerging from downtown Denver, Colorado, of a major structural collapse at a construction site near Union Station. Emergency services were dispatched at approximately 2:15 p.m. Mountain Time, following multiple calls. Live aerial footage shows a significant section of a multi-story building under construction has given way. First responders are on the scene, and several city blocks have been cordoned off. Denver Fire Department officials have confirmed they are initiating search and rescue operations, but have not yet released details on potential casualties. Eyewitnesses describe hearing a loud, rumbling sound just before the collapse. We are working to confirm more details and will bring them to you as soon as they become available. For now, authorities are urging everyone to avoid the downtown area. Stay with us for continuous coverage.